We're going to show you a very easy method to zoosh up an old favorite skirt and give it new life, and you will wear it again with the glamour being back like you always loved your old favorite skirt. We're just going to do a pleating at the bottom as we've done here, and this pleats we fold it. They are 1.5 inch wide. It sounds a lot of work, but it is. In 2 ticks then you've pleated the whole round measurement of your skirt. You need to cut a strip, 4 strips of 15 centimeters, and then we're going to mark it, and you're going to fold the pleats by hand. We're not going to use a ruffler because it's not deep enough. We need to have it a little bit deeper. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you. I've marked here a couple, and I've marked 1.5 inch, and I take the first line, fold it on the second line, and put it down, and you can put a pin. Then I take the same part, fold that in on that, marking there, so your pleats are even. So I'm just going to draw some lines quickly for you so that you can see how easy it is. You take your board, you can take your inch ruler, and you quickly draw all of them 1.5 inch, and it goes actually fairly quick. And you put it 1.5, and you draw 1.5, and you draw 1.5, and you draw. So you'll see it is really not complicated. So we folded that, so we take this piece that we've drawn and we fold that backwards, and we put it onto that line and put a pin. Then you take this one that we've got that line, we move that line underneath, fold it over, fold it over, and you've got your new pleat. So you take it, take your line, you pinch it basically and lay it down. Here I've done one that I've done exactly the same, and I just used my overlocker to keep all the pleats in one line. Sewed it from the top down.